Hey guys, so today I'm traveling to Sydney with my sister. We're on our way to IKEA. I've been wanting the IKEA Alex drawers to put all my makeup in for like forever. So I got money for my birthday a couple of months ago, so I'm actually on my way to Sydney now to go and pick them up. So I'm so excited. The closest IKEA is like an hour and a half drive away from my house, so yeah, I'll flip you guys around and show you the traffic. It is friggin' hectic already. I don't know if you can see it, but check out Sydney traffic. Off it. So yeah, and then when I get home, I'll attach to this video. I'm actually going to show you my makeup storage, what I've currently got. It is an absolute nightmare. Like, it is trash. I can't even describe how bad it is. So I desperately need these drawers. And then I will show you my room once it's all set up as well. So this is like, you know, probably going to be in parts, this vlog. So driving in Lana's car, I was like listening to music and I went to go film something again. And because I've got plugged in, because I've got like no battery, the music just cuts out. So I was like, I was going to start filming stuff and I still wanted to sing along to the song, but I couldn't because it cuts out. It brings me to another thing. So my phone's on charge at the moment. You know when you get into someone's car and you want to plug your phone in on charge? So you say, oh, can I plug my phone in? And the first response that they have is, oh, how much battery you got? It's so true, but hey.
It is.
It's like whoever has the least amount of battery, they win by default. Like, and I had less battery than Lana, so I'm plugged in now. You get into someone's car and it's always just like, and if you've got the least amount of battery, it's just got that little victory like look, like, I feel like I'm pretty sure I've got this, my phone's getting charged and yours not. It started raining, it's so annoying. God, IKEA is so big. Oh, there's like a Coles here and everything. Alright, so we just got into the car park. I'm trying to put my shoes on. So as you do, you take your shoes off when you're driving. I'm not gonna lie, but I feel like totally overwhelmed with the size of this car park. Are you, Lana?
Yes.
Drove in, I don't know where we're supposed to be going, like the entry, like it's so freaking big, it's stressing me out. So fingers crossed for us.
Yeah. We need 6 for the
Made it back into the car. We're leaving IKEA now. We got my drawers and my table. I'm so excited. I've seriously wanted them for so long, so I'm so freaking pumped. They fit into Lana's car really well. If you can see back there, Lana bought a wok too. I feel like IKEA is, like, for me, I feel like it's overwhelming. Like, there's just so, it's so big. There's so many little like areas where they've got like their setups and stuff. I don't know what Lana's doing. Where are you going? Home. Okay. No, but I feel like, okay, we're right. But when you actually go to the, what was it called? Like the self-checkout? Self-serve, like furniture or something. Like, so that where they've got like a big warehouse with all the flat packs in it. It was so easy. Like, you just take a little picture or whatever of like the thing that you want, and then it tells you what aisle and section it is in, and that part was so easy. So I feel like that was really good. Then after that we just went and had dinner. I'll probably insert something like a little snippet of what we had. We just had Thai. Can I say it was freaking amazing? Like, it was so good. So superb, as Lana would say. And so now Lana wants to go back to Thailand. But yeah, it was good. So we're just on our way home now. It is raining at the moment. Sorry about the dodgy footage. I've got the old race car driver right beside me. And then I will attach the footage of my storage and then like me setting up probably and stuff like that. So this is the little first part of the vlog, so stay tuned for the rest of it. Pretty trashed. So that's one in this drawer, and it used to be in order. At the moment it's not. It's just literally like, as you can tell, just thrown in. And this one here. So that's my setup that I currently have, and then I will film my new setup and show you how that all looks. I took all my old drawers out yesterday, as you saw. Gave them to my sister. She's going to keep them at her house. So now I've got to like sort all of this out. Put it into my drawers. So before I only had one set of 4 drawers, and now I've got 2 sets of 5. So I have so much more storage. I've just got to sort it all out, to be honest.
10 drawers.
Good adding up. Okay guys, so this is it. I've actually got one of my soft boxes there. My little munchkin. I'm going to put the other soft box into the corner over here once I clean that out. But here are my drawers set up, like you've already seen them. So just here I've got some fake flowers and a little candle. That's all from Kmart. Even the vase is from Kmart as well. And then just here I've got like a green clay face mask from the Soapstress. So if you want to check them out on Instagram, I'm pretty sure it's just at the Soapstress, but I'll link it in my description below. Then I've just got mirror there. Hey, that's just my tripod. Tay, please hop out of the way, Dom. My tripod's there. My camera obviously normally goes on that. This is my lighting that I have on my table. So my husband actually made that for me for Tay, hop out of the way, please. My husband actually made that for me for Mother's Day. He made it very, very snazzy. And then here I got these 2 containers from IKEA. Don't mind my filthy brushes, but yeah, I've just got all my brushes in there. So on this side I've got like face brushes, and on this side here I've got like eyes and lip, and yeah, it's kind of smaller brushes. So some of these drawers I don't really have things in them yet. And I've still got to try to sort out dividers and things for inside my drawers, because obviously I didn't have this amount of storage before, and I do now. So in the first drawer here, and again I'm probably going to change all this around once I sort it out and get a bit more familiar with what I've got. But in here I've just got kind of concealer. Oh, it'd help if I actually showed you guys. So on this side here I've just got concealers, and there's a couple of brow products in there. In the middle here I've got blushes in that section, and then the M1 here is just eyeliners, and then on the end I've got like a couple of blushes that won't fit into that container, and then I've just got some like sharpeners and stuff in there. I've got some like spares here of like concealers as well. So I buy like things when they're on like obviously half price and things like that. Typically buy them when they're on half price at Coles. So the second drawer here, I don't really know what's going on with this one, to be honest, but it's just pretty much a whole heap of like eyeshadows and like individual eyeshadows in here. But yeah, I haven't really figured out what I'm going to do with that yet. And then in the next drawer here, so on this side here I've just got primers. Couldn't think of the word then. So I've got primers in here. Then I've got some like setting powders, setting sprays, some bronzers and things on that on this side. And then on this side here I've pretty much just got foundations. They're filthy as, but foundations on this side, setting powder there. Again, these are really new drawers, obviously. I've only set them up today, so I've still got to figure out how I'm going to set this up and work out like a better system. In this drawer here is just some eye products. So here, one of these I need to take out because one of those belongs to Jess. And I took it from her house and I didn't realise I had it. So yeah, I've just got like mascaras on this side here, some lashes up the back there, some random like eyeshadows that I started putting in here and I should have put back up in there. So again, we'll sort that out later. And then in the bottom drawer on this side, I've just got like some palettes, pretty much. All of my palettes are just in this section here. And then we're gonna come over to the other side. The other side, whoa, making a bit of noise. So the other side, the top 2 drawers don't have anything in them at this stage. The 3rd drawer down is my lip section. So I've just got lipsticks kind of here, lipsticks and things there. Up the back in here is just all my lip liners in the back there. Yes.
And my doll has a choker on, but chokers look like they choke you, but they don't actually because they're loose.
Okay, very good. Alright, thank you.
And let's get back to the video.
Let's do that. This one here has absolutely nothing in it yet either. And the bottom one here is just my drawer of just like crap, really. So I've got some like makeup wipes in here. And then at the back I've just got like spares of things that I've previously bought and have repurchased. So yeah, that's my makeup drawer setup. I've wanted these drawers for like ever and a day. As soon as I found out about them, I just had to have them. So yeah, pretty excited. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It would help me out so much. And I want you to always remember that you are beautiful, you are loved, so just do you. Until next time, kia.